Also a desktop version of Binance. I didn't know that as well. Once I found out, I was like, wait, what? They had like a desktop version as well. I knew they had an app version of it, but they had a desktop as well. I only used Binance in desktop by going to their browser version, but you don't have to go to the browser version anymore. You can download their desktop software on your PC and install it. How you guys can do that is just watch the video until the end. If you want to search for a Binance app for PC. After you search for Binance app, just click on Binance desktop over here, alright? It's gonna take you to the official website of Binance. Just make sure your URL says this, because there's a lot of fake websites which look similar to Binance. And if you download a third-party app, then they might like take your login info. So just be careful with anything related with crypto, because it's pretty easy to get your crypto hacked now. There's a lot of hacker going around, right? So be careful. So just click on download now. Wait for some time until it downloads. Once it starts downloading over here, wait for some time until it fully downloads. And once the app downloads, just click on it and wait for some time until the installation file opens up. Once it opens up, just click on OK, because I want to choose the English language, but if you want to change it, you can. And just click on install, and once the installation process finishes, your Binance app is ready to go.